Second unit, we are starting ecosystem. In last unit, we have seen the importance of environmental science, environmental study, its importance, its nature of environmental study, then its scope and public awareness, various disciplines including the environmental study that we are studying in first unit. The second unit is ecosystem. What are the types of ecosystem? So ecosystem is related to environment. Eco म्हणजे काय? Environment. Environmental system. Eco means environment, related to environment. System, the environmental system. What are the types of this environmental system that we are going to see? The environmental system म्हणजे काय? Ecosystem. What is definition? What is concept? The system which is formed by community of organisms that is interacting with their environment. So we know in the environment it includes various constituents like human being, man, all the living things. त्यामध्ये human being असेल, man असेल, किंवा and it includes the various types of trees, plants, animals, all the species, small insects, all the species including from small to large, all the organisms, all the living and non-living things that is included in the environment. That forms a system that is interacting with the environment. This community of organisms or all the living things and non-living things that are having relation between the environment. So it interacts with the environment. Without the environment, they cannot survive. They cannot exist. Without the environment, no one can survive, or they are depending on the environment. Every living and non-living things is depending upon the environment. This is the system of this man and nature, the relationship between man and nature, between community and the environment. So it forms a system. The system la काय म्हणायचं? Ecosystem or environmental system. So this study of the interrelationship between among the various living organisms on various non-living things and the physico-chemical processes among various matters or various things and human activities in ecological community. So this study is known as study of the ecosystem, science of the ecosystem. Science of ecosystem म्हणजे काय? Study of the relationship between living organism and environment, and the study of all the processes, which includes all the physical, chemical processes that is included in that, and the every person's activity, societies, organizations, or any human being, its activity, how we carry out various activities in this environment. That study is known as study of the ecosystem. So these living and non-living things interact with each other within a particular area, which live together. So that forms a ecosystem. वेगवेगळ्या कम्युनिटी मध्ये वेगवेगळ्या एरिया मध्ये म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या स्टेट मध्ये वेगवेगळ्या कम्युनिटी असणार आहे. त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या स्टेट्स मध्ये म्हणा, so in various countries throughout the world. So it includes all the living and non-living things that interact with each other. They interact with the environment. These are depending upon the environment. That throughout the globe or throughout the world, this system is covered. Ecosystem is which forms this entire system. So the entire universe is included in that. That forms a ecosystem. समजलं इकोसिस्टम म्हणजे काय? Concept of ecosystem. The area or the which is surrounding to us, surrounding to every human being, every living and non-living thing that is surrounding to us, that forms a ecosystem. So ecosystem, the definition that is given by a British ecologist A.G. Transley in the year 1935. त्यांनी हे डेफिनेशन दिलेलं आहे इकोसिस्टमचं. काय डेफिनेशन दिलेलं आहे? It is a system that is formed by a community of organisms interacting with their environment. म्हणजे community of organisms आहेत त्यामध्ये all which includes all the constituents, त्यामध्ये लिव्हिंग अँड नॉन लिव्हिंग थिंग्स असतील. ते कशासोबत इंटरॅक्ट होतात? एन्व्हायरमेंट सोबत. That depends upon the environment. That forms this ecosystem. हे डेफिनेशन कोणी दिलेलं आहे? A.G. Transley, which is given by A.G. Transley in the year 1935, who is the British ecologist. After studying the environment, he have stated this definition. His name is Arthur Transley, who have given the concept of environment system. He has given the concept of importance of the transfer of materials between organisms and their environment. How the material get transferred from the organism to environment. That concept is given by Arthur Transley. How the natural resources are utilized by the organisms. So this ecosystem can be of any size. Ecosystem particular size असू शकेल. त्यामध्ये पर्टिक्युलर स्टेट असेल किंवा एखादं रिजन असेल, कम्युनिटी असेल किंवा एखादं डिस्ट्रिक्ट असेल, विलेज असेल, जे ज्या विलेजमध्ये राहणारे जे लोक असतील, पीपल रिसाइडिंग इन अ पर्टिक्युलर विलेज और स्टेट, सिटी or a country or in a particular community. So that forms the ecosystem. So throughout the entire planet, this community may be spread. So that forms the ecosystem. Let me relate it to environment. They are having the relation between the nature and the person, and the community and the nature. So these two communities are two things which forms the ecosystem. So another definition given by Eugene Odom, who is also a British ecologist, who have given the definition of ecosystem. According to him, how the definition is stated: can unit that includes all the organisms. एका युनिट मध्ये किंवा एका सिस्टीम मध्ये ऑर्गॅनिझम्स त्यामध्ये include आहेत. Organisms and living organisms and environment. They interact with the physical environment. So can unit that includes all the organisms, that is a community of organisms in a given area interacting with the physical environment that exchange the materials between living and non-living things within the system. That is known as ecosystem. The definition कोणी दिलाय? Eugene Odom, who is the British ecologist, we have given this definition. So एखाद्या एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे एखाद्या सिस्टीम मध्ये एखाद्या एरियामध्ये जिथे एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियलची देवाणघेवाण आहे. मटेरियल्स आर एक्सचेंज फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू फ्रॉम लिव्हिंग थिंग्स टू environment. That materials are utilized for their daily living, for their existence. ज्यामध्ये एअर असेल, सॉइल, water we utilize for our drinking purpose, for industrial purpose. Air is consumed by the man, animals for their survival. So this soil for growing of the crops. So these natural resources are utilized by all the living and non-living things. This is the exchange of materials within the system. समजलं definition काय ecosystem चा? Any problem in this? So this ecosystem is very complex in entity with many interactive components. इकोसिस्टम कसं आहे, कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे. त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे ऑर्गॅनिझम्स फ्रॉम स्मॉल टू लार्ज दॅट इज इन्क्लुडेड. सो विच इज कॉम्प्लेक्स इन नेचर. Therefore, it is a system of complex interactions of populations between themselves and with their environment in a functional unit of variable size. So there is a complex interaction between the persons and the environment. So it is very complicated. The system is very complex. This is the definition given by Eugene Odom in the year 1975. Also, this definition is stated by Ellenberg in 1973. Then Nabokov, we have given this definition in the 1982. So these are the various ecologists, British ecologists, who have stated the definition of the ecosystem. समजलं इकोसिस्टम म्हणजे काय? Then structure and function of ecosystem. Ecosystemचा structure कसा आहे? What are the types of ecosystem? So ecosystem is a basic functional unit of ecology. Ecosystem कशाचा पार्ट आहे ते? इकोलॉजी, जे एन्व्हायरमेंटल सायन्स मध्ये इन्क्लूड आहे. जसं फिजिक्स आहे, केमिस्ट्री आहे, बायोलॉजी आहे, झूलॉजी आहे. त्यानंतर इकोलॉजी is related to environment. जसं zoology आहे, it is related to animals. Then biology is related to all the organisms. So ecology is related to environment, the study of the environment, that is called ecology. म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणतात? इकोसिस्टम. इकोसिस्टम is included in the ecology. It is a unit of ecology. So this ecosystem which includes all the living things. Living things मध्ये काय काय येणार? Plant, जे plants, त्यामध्ये animals असतील, micro organisms असतील in a particular area interacting with each other. Then they interact with the non-living things surrounding environment. So this all the living and non-living things which is included in the ecosystem. So these different types of ecosystem that present in different areas. वेगवेगळ्या एरियामध्ये हे वेगवेगळ्या टाइपचे इकोसिस्टम्स त्यामध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे. त्यामध्ये बायोटिक अँड अबायोटिक कॉम्पोनंट्स आहेत इंटरॅक्टिंग विथ इच अदर. त्यामध्ये जैविक जैविक काही जैविक त्यामुळे जैविक आणि अजैविक सुद्धा आहेत. त्यामुळे जैविक मध्ये काय येणार? प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स that are called biotic. Abiotic means non-living which do not exist. जैविक जैविक आणि अजैविक हे दोन पार्ट्स आहेत. त्यामध्ये त्याला काय म्हणतात? बायोटिक अँड अबायोटिक कॉम्पोनंट्स. हे कसे एकमेकांसोबत इंटरॅक्ट होतात. दे आर डिपेंडिंग ऑन इच अदर. So this biotic and abiotic components which are included in the ecosystem. So in this ecosystem, there is a energy transformation, circulation, and accumulation from one place to another place, from one system to another system is there. That is included in the ecosystem. Energy is created. Energy is transformed from one system to another system. Circulation of this energy from one system to another system. Accumulation of the energy that may take place in the ecosystem. The diagrammatic representation of this nutrient cycling of living and non-living things, the relationship between biotic and abiotic components, that is shown in the diagram, how they are dependent on each other, how this cycle continues from producers to soil to decomposers, consumers. This is the cycle of ecosystem. So in next lecture, we will continue with this types of ecosystem. Now time is over. So everyone give attendances in chat box. Now we'll stop. Next lecture we'll see these types of ecosystem. Okay. समजलं का इथपर्यंत? समजलं नसेल तर विचारा. Any problems? Okay, we will stop here.